All right, anchoring battle ropes. So if you don't know how to anchor your battle ropes, I'm guessing you probably do know how to anchor your battle ropes. And it probably looks like this, right? You just take that rope and you put it around some sort of post or pole or sandbag or kettlebell or dumbbell or something like that, right? You just work around that. The problem is if this is a post or a pole or let's say a dumbbell, right? It has a little abrasive surface and this rope starts sawing back and forth, going up and down. Before you know it, you're gonna actually saw this rope in half and you're gonna have to replace your rope, and ropes aren't cheap. What you could do instead is get a canvas strap, right? And then wrap that canvas strap around. So then if you create abrasions in that canvas strap, right, this canvas strap is way cheaper, way easier to replace. And not that ropes are super expensive, but they're expensive enough to not want to have to replace every single year, especially if you're running like boot camps or things where lots of people, or you use your ropes every single day, right? You're gonna wanna think about that. The other things to think about is what can I now anchor it around? So if you get a long enough canvas strap, you can go around a tree, you can go around a post. You can also wrap it through multiple kettlebells or multiple dumbbells, because if you're like me and you thought you could put it around like a 16 kilogram or 35 pound kettlebell or dumbbell, and then you start getting after it and starting to really get strong with your battle ropes, before you know it, that weight is starting to move around, destroy stuff, come at you, right? Not very safe. So I try to weight it down with a bunch of stuff. My favorite anchor, if I don't have a post or something like that to tie off my canvas strap to, is a sandbag. Sandbags tend to be kind of dead in that they are just sort of dead weight, right? So, and I can get really heavy sandbags, and sandbags should be absolutely free. You should be able to go down to your local fire station. They usually have sandbags and sand at one of those fire stations. They use that for flooding, right? All around, at least the United States. I'm not certain in other countries, but at least in the United States, you're able to do that. So you can go down, get a couple of sandbags, and then pile some sandbags onto your canvas strap, or strap those canvas straps around those sandbags, and then you got yourself an anchor with that. So there's a lot of different ways to anchor the battle rope, but most definitely you're gonna wanna pick up a canvas strap. We have canvas straps at kettlebellkings.com. If you wanna learn more about how to anchor your battle rope, how to move your battle rope, check out living.fit.